Na-in-love ka na ba? Kasi ako, hindi pa. Ako si Rick, 22 years old, virgin. Walang naging jowa ever. Pero ever since mapanood ko yung 500 Days of Summer tsaka The Notebook, gusto ko na talagang ma-in-love. Yung tipong may isang tao para sa'yo na itinadhana. Yung soulmate mo. Pero syempre, wala namang pumapansin sa wallflower na katulad ko. Ang taas kasi ng standards ng mga babae ngayon. Eto, nandito ako ngayon sa party ng mga taong di ko kilala. Nagpapakasakali lang na baka nandito yung the one ko. Pero honestly, yung mga babae dito, hindi ko type. Ano na bang nangyari sa generation na to? Tignan mo yung mga suot nila. Yung mga makeup nila, tsaka tangina. Siya na. The one I've been waiting for my whole life. Yung ngiti niya, yung galaw ng katawan niya. She's perfect. She's mine.
Ito ba hanap mo?
Oh,
Naiwan mo sa table habang umiinom ka.
salamat. Sigaw na ako. Thank you.
Kanina ka pa nakatitig sa akin. Do you plan on doing anything about it, Rick?
Nahiya ako eh. Ang ganda mo kasi.
Oo nga pala. Is that Smiths?
The Smiths, oh.
I love the Smiths.
Ito na ba yung rom-com moment ng buhay ko? Rick. Sorry.
Kat. My name's Kat.
Kat. Ganda ng name mo. Libre ka ba bukas?
Bakit?
Labas tayo, trip ko.
Sige. Basta ikaw.
Sunduin kita 2 p.m. bukas.
See you.
She was made for me. Unang makita ko siya, alam kong siya na yung para sa akin. Ang tagal ko siyang sinundan. Araw-araw, hinihintay na magkita kami. Dito ko lang pala siya mahanap. Kat. Perfect name for a perfect girl. Iba talaga to si Kat. Sobrang ganda niya. Ang galing pa manamit. Hindi parang pokpok tulad ng ibang babae. Mabait pa. Tsaka magalang. Tas game sa lahat ng gusto kong gawin. Siya na talaga. Siya na ang babaeng hinahanap ko. Ginawa siya para sa akin. I love you, Kat.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed,
Paano mo nalaman saan
nothing seems to fit.
Lucky guess.
Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling, but they I know the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain.
Nagsurpresa ako para sa'yo.
Talaga ba?
Because I'm free.
Excite naman yan.
You're going to love it.
Nothing's worrying me.
So ito pala yung kwarto ng future wife ko. Ito yung mundo niya. Ito yung mga gamit niya. Ang gulo naman. Pero okay lang. Kapag kami na nakalagaan ko naman siya. Ito pala yung kama niya. Yung kama namin. Ano to? Diary. Parang yung sa akin lang. May tinatago ko ba sa akin, Kat? Sige, tingnan natin.
I just buried the man that loved me with all his heart. No man has ever shown a love so deep to me, and I know he meant it. He was a dedicated one, but he had to go. Too soft, he started praying to God, asking for salvation, and that's where it had to end. I am your God. You do not need anyone but me. So I stood there, proudly, thinking, I made this tortured piece of myself, the one staring right at my soul. May God bless his soul. My perfect boy, the sheer stupidity of this man. The moment I saw him walking across the street, I couldn't help but imagine what his head would look like on a stick. That would be his most beautiful form, bloodied mess, with my retreating figure as last image he'll ever see in this world. Much as I have, I felt whatever form, bloodied mess can say that they have truly loved someone.
Nakuha rin kita. Alam mo, nung unang beses kita nakita, wala na akong ibang naiisip kundi sarili mong naliligo sa sarili mong dugo. Ganyan. Ganyan na ganyan. Kaya nga, Ikaw naalala ko sa kantang to. Our theme song! It's a beautiful name, no? But my name's Joan. Nice to meet you, Richard Santos. Alam kong sinusundan mo ako. Gagawa ka na nga lang ng krimen, tatanga-tanga ka pa. You think I actually like the Smiths? They make music for pathetic little boys like you. And I'd rather tear myself another asshole if it means I have to listen to that shit ever again. Oh nga pala, I forgot something. Wait. Perfect! You are perfect.
Tulong! Tulong! Tangina mo, bakit mo ginagawa sa akin to?
Tulong! Tulong! Walang makakarinig sa'yo dito, Rick. Wala.
Kat. Kat, please. Mahal kita. Babago ako.
Mahal din naman kita, Rika. Kaya ko nga ito ginagawa eh. Kasi sobrang mahal kita.
Kat, hindi ikaw to, Kat. Dito yung Kat na nakilala ko. Hindi mo kaya gawin sa akin to. Please.
Can't the girl have a little fun? Mahal kita, Rick. Mahal kita. Huwag kang mag-alala. Ito ko sa'yo. Paano ako magmahal ng mga taong katulad mo?
Kat. Nagkamali lang ako. Tao rin ako.
Tao? Hindi ka tao. Hindi mo ba tanda? You were made for me. The city, it belongs to me. At ikaw, you belong to me. Idikdik mo yan sa kukote mo, Rick. Tandaan mo yan.
Bitch! Ginamit mo lang ako! Wala kang pinagkaiba sa amin, Kat. Ano, dahil babae ka? Gago! Hindi ka bayani. Gusto mo lang gawin lahat ng pantasya mo, baliw. Ano? Mali ba ako? Kung basura kami, basura ka rin. You were made for me too.
Baka tama ka. But you wanted it, Rick. I was... Granting your wishes. This is my final act of love for you, Rick. Mercy. Thank you.
As the flames rose to Roman wished things went differently.
What does he mean he wished things went differently? Does Sky want to get back together? What the hell does that mean?
What the hell are you talking about?